Yamaha Restoration Process Part 1. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Art Garage. So in today's video we are going to transform a motorcycle that is almost 2 decades old. This motorcycle is manufactured by the Japanese company Yamaha. This motorcycle has ruled on the Indian riders' heart. The company Yamaha still producing motorcycles for the Indian riders. As you can see, we are doing very first step, that is to dismantle the motorcycle parts. The motorcycle is getting stripped completely, and now the parts will be sent for the painting process. Before we go ahead and start the process, make sure you wear gloves as we are going to use some hazardous material to perform pre-paint treatment. We are using nitrile gloves that keeps the effective chemical away from the skin. Let's gather the parts that needs to be painted at one place. Some parts have greasy stains over them. Some are new parts that needs to be painted. Various parts have been rusted over the time, that needs rust removal treatment. We are using this rust remover to remove the rust from the rusted areas of the parts. First we add some rust remover to a spray bottle to spray over the rusted area. Make sure you use respirator mask during the process. After spraying, we gonna use soft hairbrush to spread rust remover over the rusted areas uniformly.
Work. That's right.
Thus.
After application of rust remover, affected areas need to brushed up with metal wire brush to eliminate the residual material of the rust.
Thus.
Work. That's right.
thus,
Work. That's right.
thus,
Swing arm and chassis has lots of much accumulated to it that need to cleaned up before applying any type of coating over it. So now we will apply paint remover over the parts to take down all old paint from the parts. Finally, the parts are ready for the painting process. Further process will be shown in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel. And also like and share.